Hello guys, today is my first video. I'm Shankar Shah. Let's to understand what are the concept of merging of two arrays into one resultant array. So how we are going to do it? We are suppose let's take one array of size of suppose 0, 1, 3 and 4, suppose 10. Element array size of a is 5, 60. We are putting value 20, 10 and 0. And in this array b we are going to have again the 5, the length is 5 of array b, so we are going to take a 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are going to assign is 6, 8, 9, 5 and 2. Now let's take another array of k. This is a resultant array. So what will be resultant array? It will take all the values of a and b into this. So the length of a and length of b is, one second now, the length of array a and length of array b is how much? 5 plus 5, 10. So it will comprise of 10 elements. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 elements, 10 elements are there. So from this is as suppose array k. So from 0 to 4 it will take the values from here 60, this one as 30, this one as 20, this one as 10, this one as 0. And from 0 to 4 we are going to take the value as 6, 8, 9, 5 and 2 from here. So like this it will take all the values of a and b into the array k. So it took every values from 0 to 4. Suppose the array of size is a is 0 to, we will take like n minus 1, and the array of size of b from 0 to m minus 1. So the array of the length of array k will be 0 to m plus n, because it will start from 0 to n plus n, means if the size over here is 5, the 5 plus 5, 10. So the array size of k is 10. So now let's move on to the source code, how it will work. So if we want to assign it, let's take this example. If we assign from 0 to, suppose from here 0 to 4, from here. So how we going to take from, suppose from here it will take from 0 to 4. So it will take 0 to 4 from, so array of a, it will take the whole array of a. How will we take it? We will take it from 0 to 4 to array k 0 to 4. Now array of k of from 5 to suppose 9, it will take all the values of b 0 to 4 again, 0 to 4, every values like this. Now let's just implement the source code over here. Let's like the header files. We're going to initialize three arrays, three arrays of 50 plus 50. The length will be 100. We are taking the maximum value of a length of arrays, three array I, j, m and n. Suppose we're going to, now let's enter the number of elements of first array. How are we going to do it? We're going to scan it. First array will be how much? It will be, suppose we are taking n. Now enter the number of elements of second. Scan is at m. Now we are going to suppose print the first array. Enter the first array. So let's print the first array. I is from 0 I to n I plus plus. We're going to scan the first array, a of I. So this is the first array for I. Now we are going to print the next array. Enter the second array. Means we are going to take the input of the second array. Oh sorry, I not done the loop. Suppose the length of the is m, we took m, so let's go from m. This is the array, second array. Now from I to m, all has been, we have initialized every array from m to n. Now the main concept arises, how we are going to assign values from a and b to k. Okay, let's do this. How are we going to do it? Now we are going to transverse the value. So suppose for I from 0 to m, or suppose n k will have all the values of 0 to n from a to k. So this means what? All the values from 0 to n of a will be assigned to k. So 0 to n means this one, 0 to n, we have all assigned in this k. Every element has been erased over here. So 0 to n, every element is over here. Now we are going to start from n m to m plus n. So this is the first half we have done. Now the next half, how we are going to transverse it? We are going to assign j, which is start from m. J must be lesser than m plus n, j plus plus. Now the result array k. Oh wait, no, sorry. Now so how we are going to initialize it? Now the next part will be from b, the 0 to m minus 1, all the array elements from here, it will be put to j is equal to, suppose this is m, to m plus n of the array k. So we are going to put all the values from 0 to m minus 1 of b to array m to m plus n. M is what? Starting from 5 to 5 plus 5, 10. So 5 to 10 we are going to assign everything over here. So 5 and 9. So how we are going to do it? For loop, we are assigning I is equal to 0 and j is equal to, suppose we are starting from m. I suppose is lesser than m, and j is lesser than m plus n. This is the size of array k, and this will be the size of array array b. Now we'll increment I plus plus, j plus plus. Now k of it will be j will be equal to b of I. So 0, so m to m plus n, every values of b has been put to k. 0 to m, every value has been put to k starting from m to m plus n. Every values is in k j. So now every values of array b has been put to array k over here. So wait, so from 0 0 to m minus 1, every value has been put from m to m plus n in this array k. Okay, now we are going to the array element is now over here. So elements after merging is 4 less than m plus n, and printing so this the size will be m plus n, the size of the array k, so this will be ki. So this array has been printed. The array which is over here is being printed like ki, which is over here. This array is being printed. Now what we are going to do, we are going to sort this k array. How are we going to sort this k array? We can use different approaches. You can use selection sort, you can use insertion sort, you can use many sort. We are going to use bubble sort. You can use any other kind of sorting techniques. So let's do the bubble sort technique. So how we are going to do bubble sort? The main basic concept of bubble sort is we are going um, to sort the array by deducting the last element of the array for each iteration. So like this it will go on and it will arrange it. So how are we going to do it? So for I is equal to, suppose for first for 0 to n iteration, suppose for j is an array or is a variable from 0 to j less than, or this will be m plus n, sorry, this will be m plus n minus 1 minus I. So the j is 0 from m plus n minus I. Now if a of j is greater than a of j plus 1, then what will happen is that it will swap, means it will interchange the values, because we are going to sort in descending order, in ascending order. So if the first element is greater than the second element, second index of the array, then what will happen is that it will swap it, and the lowest and the smaller value will be in the left side, and the greater value will be one iteration after the left side of the array of that element. So like this, for the first iteration it will be a1, so a sorry, this will be key, we are checking key, that is key, sorry, not e. So okay, now this is key. So from, for one iteration it will be a 1, if this is 2, if 1 is greater than 2 in the index, the first index, the element of the first index greater than the element of the second index, it will interchange. So integer, if we take temp, so key, how we are going to swap it, we are going to use third variable. So temp if equal to k of j, k of j if is equal to k of j plus 1, and k of j plus 1 is equal to temp, then it will going to swap it. We're going to swap the values. So we have swapped it, and now if we're going to print the value, then how we're going to print it? The sort will be I 0, I less than m plus n, I plus plus. So m plus n. Now we're going to print it. Elements after sorting is k of I. Okay, we are not pressing close the loops over here, so we're going to close it over here. So let's close it, the loops. Now it has been closed. Okay, so here it is. So we have sorted the array of ki from of here, and we have printed it. So this was, now we are going to in the main function, as that's the end of the program. So like this, you're going to interchange the values and you're going to sort it of the k value. So we used bubble sort technique. We have used bubble sort technique, and by using bubble sort we have swapped it. So this is our video. So again, we're going to go give the summary of this whole process of merging, is that we are going to input the values of 0 to n minus 1 of a to 0 from to k, from 0 to k, 0 to 4. Suppose the size is 4, so 0 to 4 we are going to put every values of a from 0 to 4 to k. And the array b of size 0 to m minus 1 means 0 to 4, again we are going to put all the values from of array b to k, starting from index 5 to 9. We're going to put it. Now like this, we're going to merge the two arrays into one array, and hence we will sort the array in bubble sort, and like that we can merge the array of two arrays into one array. So now this is the whole concept of the coding the program, and I hope you guys understood the concept. Not, don't just mug it. Please understand how it has happened and how we have approached it. Just don't mug it, just understand the concept, and I think you will do it in a respective processor. It can be done in various processes. You can use while loop to do it, you can use other processes also, but I think this is the most convenient way to do it for me. So I've shared this video to all of you. I hope you guys understood it, and I hope you will do this whole process uh, and do this program very efficiently. So thank you for this video. I think if you like this video, please comment, please share this video, subscribe it, and don't forget to like this video. And thank you for watching it. And I will update my videos in the next section, and I think so till then, stay safe, and thank you.